Alright, Star 1800 2024 Algebra 1 Part 5 by Professor Phil Galvez Jr. 05 31 23. Alright, before we get started, any money for college? Mom Margie's Mexican Cafe, open 24 hours. Great boss, great food, great work. But let's say you don't need money right now. Okay, we just say no, you don't need it. You don't need it. Okay, that's fine. So, find the temperature of your cup of cold tea inside your truck without AC in the summer in Texas after 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes go by inside your truck. So let's find f of 8, the function. So put an 8 in there for the x. So 0.5 to the 8. 0.5 to the 8 power. Using the calculator, it's going to give me this number. This number times 5 is this number right here. So now you have 200 divided by this. Add those two bottom together. So numerator, denominator, divide those numbers on your calculator. You can get 196, 16, 85, 824. Round it to 196.17. So after 8 minutes, your cup of tea temperature in Fahrenheit is going to be 196.17 degrees inside your truck. Hot, dangerous temperature. Sharks say, hey, let's play in the sea. Okay, Texas tea, huh? Oh, use a graphing calculator. Sure, let's do that right now. All right, see this thing in the blue box right here? You can do it on the calculator. So let's do that right now. 200 divided by parentheses 1 plus 5 parentheses 0.5 to the power of 8. Close it. Okay. So 200, and I put parentheses on this to keep all this together, the upstairs and the downstairs. Okay. See the little parentheses right there. That's so now once I hit enter, I get 186, 1685, 824, which is the same number. See it? Same number. They match. So you can use a graphing calculator if you want to. That's fine. Okay. But you don't have to. But I would use it, yes. All right. So we're done with this one. Find the temperature. Yes. Next question. All right. Next one is find the temperature of your cup of warm milk fish head soup inside your truck in the summer in Texas after 0 minutes. So you get inside the truck, 0 minutes have gone by. Put a 0, f of 0 function, f of 0. So 0.5 to 0 is 1. 1 and 1 is 2. Divide these numbers, it's going to give you 100. So after 0 minutes, the cup of milk fish head soup temperature in Fahrenheit is going to be 100 degrees. It's just warm. Okay, food please. Find the temperature of your cup of warm milk fish head soup inside your truck in the summer in Texas after 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes have gone by now. So put it in the function. So 0.5 to the 8, this number here, 0.5 to the 8 calculator. It's going to be this. At the 1, you're going to get this number divided by this, which is going to give you 199.2217899. Round it. 199.22. So after 8 minutes, what happens to your fish head soup? It's going to be your cup of milk fish head soup temperature in Fahrenheit is 199.22. It's hot, dangerous in there. Join me for lunch, says a shark. Find the temperature of your body inside your truck without AC in the summer in Texas after 0 minutes. So 0, put a 0 in there for the function, the logistic function. 0, so 0.5 to 0 is 1. 1 and 1 is 2. Divide these numbers here is going to be 98.7. So after 0 minutes, your temperature is what? Your body temperature in Fahrenheit is 98.7. Yeah, that's good. You're just warm. All right. Find the temperature of your body inside your truck without AC in the summer in Texas after 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes have gone by. You're inside the truck, no AC. So put this 10 in there. This is going to be 0.5 to the 10 calculator. So this is going to give me this number. Add those together. It's going to give me this 1.00, 97, 65, 625. Divide them. You get 197.2074146. Round it to this. So after 10 minutes, your body temperature is now going to be 197.21, hot and dangerous. What is the probability you will have an accident driving your truck with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.0? All right, let's put it in there. 0.0 times that 50, it's going to be 0. And 0.5 to the 0 is going to be 1. Yeah. So 9 times that, multiply first. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 and 1 is 10. Divide this right here. It's going to give you, so blood alcohol is 0.0. Percent probability of an accident, 10%. Okay. All right. What happens if you have, what is the probability you will have an accident driving your truck with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.18? Oh, bad news. Bad news right here. All right. So put it in there. 0.18 times 50 is 0.5 to that power. 0.5 to the 9. Calculator again. It's going to give me this answer. And 9 times that is this. Now add them. So 100 divided by this is going to give me this number here. But I'm going to round it off to 98.27. So your blood alcohol, 0.18, and Texas 0.08 or more is DWI. But 0.18, way beyond the limit, probability is 0.18 blood alcohol, percent probability of an accident, 98.27% chance of an accident. Bad news. Find the value of your land after 0 years. Okay, 0. Put it in a radical function. Okay, square root of 0 plus that is going to be square root of 0 plus that is 1. Square root of 1 times that. Well, it's just 10,000. Same answer. 0 years, your land is worth 10,000. Sharks ones are playing the sea. Find the value of your land after 3 years. So put a 3 in there for the radical function. 3 and 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 times that is 20,000. So after 3 years, your land is now worth $20,000 in the radical function. All right. Find the value of your land after 35 years. Put it in there. 35 plus 1 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. 6 times that is 60,000. After 35 years, guess what? $60,000 value for the land. Think of it as your aunt's college gift to you. Go to college. 35 years later, it's worth $60,000. All right. How many days will it take to kill one roach? Just one in your kitchen. All right. Going to use something new. Log functions. LOG based. This is a log function based 10. So now, how do we do that? Well, f of 1 means log of 1. Log of 1 in calculator is going to give you 0. 0 times that is 0 plus 1. Multiplication, yes. Then you add. Order operations. So 1 plus that is 1. So 1 roach in your kitchen, it's going to take 1 day to kill that roach once you put out the little roach baits and stuff. Sharks eat only in the day. Remember that. So you're safe at night. How many days will it take to kill 10 roaches in your kitchen? Find f of 10. So again, using the log function, log of 10 right here is 1. 1 times that, you multiply first, it's going to be 7, and then add 1. So it's going to be 8. So to kill 10 roaches in there, it's going to take 8 days to kill the kitchen roaches. Okay. Another log function. Yeah, it's another one. How many days will it take to kill 100 roaches in your kitchen? Again, we use a log function, 100. So you're going to have 1 plus 7 log of 100. Log of 100 is 2 on your calculator. Multiply first, always. Order operations. 7 times 2 is 14. 1 and 14 is 15. So 100 roaches, it's going to take 15 days to kill the kitchen roaches using the log function. How many days will it take to kill 1,000 roaches in your kitchen? F of 1,000. So log of 1,000, again, we're going to have 7 times 3 is 21. Multiply. This is going to be add then. So you multiply first, and then you add. So 22. So 1,000 roaches, it'll take 22 days to kill the kitchen roaches. 1,000 of them anyway. All right, how many days will it take to kill 10,000 roaches in your kitchen? Find f of 10,000. Put it in there for the x. So 10,000, the log of 10,000 is 4. So again, multiply first. 4 times 7, 28, and 1 is 29. So to kill the 10,000 roaches is going to take how many days? 29 days. So 10,000 roaches, 29 days to kill the kitchen roaches. All right, come more. How much carbon-14 will be in a cow leg bone from a cow that died 67.34 years ago? Okay. When it's alive, it has 100% carbon-14, but it's been dead for 67.34 years. So using the half-life formula right here, put the number in there, 67.34 right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. 1/2 to the power of this on my calculator is gonna give me this number. Multiply it times 100. It's gonna be 99.16, 99.5457. But I'm gonna round it off to this 99.17. So 67.34 years since the cow died means there's going to be only 99.17 carbon-14 in the cow leg bone. Okay, this nice stuff, huh? All right, if a cow leg bone shows 99.17% of the carbon-14 expected in a live cow, then when did the cow die? Okay, let's use this other formula. 5600 times this. Put the numbers in there. This is going to give you 0.9917. So now all this, do it on the calculator. This number times ln of that divided by ln of 0.5. All this at one time is going to give you this answer. Round it off to what? 67.34. So if the percent of carbon-14 in there is 99.17, 67.34 years ago since that cow died. If a leg bone shows 99.47% of carbon-14 expected in a live cow, then when did the cow die? All right. Again, 99.47, put it in the formula right there. Multiply this out, and then I'm going to do all this at one time in the calculator. Gives me this, which is going to be rounded to 42.93. So, if percent of carbon-14 is 99.47, then it's been 42.93 years since the cow died. Snack time. If your cow leg bone shows only 99.97% of carbon-14 expected in a live cow, then when did the cow die? Put the numbers in there, the formula. So now all this, I'm going to do it all at one time. I'm going to get this number, 2.4240409131, or just round it at 2.42. So the percent of carbon-14 is 99.97. It's been 2.42 years since that cow died. Dinner time. Okay. What is the probability that you will get a cavity if you brush your teeth? How many times? 0 times per year. Never brush them. Okay, that's fine. 0. You don't brush them at all. And then, example. You eat breakfast, you eat lunch, you eat dinner, maybe you have a snack a day. That's 4 times. 4 times a day. So 365 days times 4 times a day you should be brushing after you eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. That means it's going to be 1,460 times a year you should brush. So you need to brush your teeth 1,160 times per year. If you do breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack 4 times a day, brush them, brush them, brush them, brush them. So now let's see. So f of 0, put a 0 there. 0 times that is 0. 10 minus 0 is 10. Log of 10 is 1. And that's going to be 100. So if you brush 0 times per year, then 100% probability of a cavity. Okay. Well, that's it. We're done with this one. And of course, go celebrate because you studied already. And you had a lot of money. Go out to Hawaii maybe. Take out your surfboard out there. All your Hawaiian stuff on there. Surfboards, big old waves out there, 40-footers. Okay. Oh, math monsters? Nah, they're scary. We know how to do some of that math. No, they're not scary. Oh, these guys are a little bit scary still. A little bit. Oh, more of them? A little bit scary, but not too much. Math was scarier. And 7's there somewhere. So, 7, there they are. So now, what? Oh, this is scary. Big, giant, crunchy one, huh? That's kind of scary. The math was more scary. How about this one? Ooh, crunchy 2 and crunchy 3. Yeah, that's kind of scary too. But anyway, good luck. This is Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck on your Algebra 1 with 2024, 18 and 2024. Good luck. This is Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck again.